What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to talk about Dogecoin today. And before we get to this technical analysis, let's go ahead and look over here at our big news for the day. And this is what Elon Musk just now said. So he just now said, do you want Tesla to accept Doge? This is huge. He's asking if we want Tesla to accept Doge. And obviously almost everyone said yes. Crazy that people actually said no. But yeah, that's crazy that he's actually asking if people want Tesla to accept Doge. So yeah, Tesla is going to accept Doge in the future. Like, he was not playing when he said he's gonna put a literal Dogecoin on the moon, because he's literally doing that right now with SpaceX and another company, energy company. But look, this is crazy right now. He's actually going to put it on a moon. Look, chairman said Elon ain't messing around. Yes, Elon is not messing around. Got David Gokshin says Dogecoin is about to go ripping out of the galaxy. That's true. We got Huobi saying Huobi is a crypto exchange, and I'm pretty sure they do accept Dogecoin. So go over there. They have Dogecoin. They're pretty sure they have CBEU as well. So yeah, this is a new this is a crypto exchange here, Huobi. So if you want to use that, I guess you can use that. I don't use it myself, but I'm just seeing that they're actually, supportive with Doge. So that's cool that we have all these exchanges supporting Doge. We have that official Litecoin account saying, what about Litecoin also, to accept Litecoin too. But if they accept Doge, I'm pretty sure they'll accept all the other cryptos as well. But yeah, this is crazy that this is actually happening. We have so many different verified people, so many different famous, and so many different, influencers and exchanges, businesses, companies commenting on this post. Like, this is big right here. Elon Musk is doing big things. Then we got the scammers, you already know. And remember, there's a lot of scammers in my comment section too. I will never give you a WhatsApp number. I would never ask you for your number or anything. I will never ask you for anything. I won't ask you for a password, for money, or nothing. So do not listen to anyone that says they're me and they're asking for money or your password or, your number or anything like that. There's scammers. So many scammers inside the comments. All right, now that we got that out of the way, and we see all these influencers here, and we have our big news that we've already gotten out the way, which is Tesla going to accept Dogecoin. I wonder when it's going to happen. Most likely it's going to happen soon, honestly, but I'm not really worried about when it's going to happen, because I know Elon Musk is a man of his word. He said he was going to put a Dogecoin on the moon. Now he's doing it, and a bunch of other stuff. He said he was going to be on Saturday Night Live, being the Doge father. He did it. So this is what we're seeing right now. But yeah, enough of what we have here. But let's go over to our technical analysis and see what we have coming up. So let's go back over here to the technical analysis. So we dropped all the way down here, as we know, all the way down to 42 cents. Everyone was scared, sold out. People went paper hands. Second we went down, their paper hands got slapped with some diamonds, and boom, everyone just went diamond hands right here. And then we started to create a new short-term trend line. So like I said, the short-term trend lines are really good to follow, because our long-term trend line, as we can see right here, this is our long-term trend line. And then right here, this was the short-term trend line that we tried to set, but it kind of didn't work, because it was just going up crazy high. And Elon Musk tweeted, which kind of, we were going on that trend line, but then Elon Musk tweeted, and then boom, we started our new trend line. So this trend line is now obsolete, and this is the new short-term trend line that we're going up. And remember, this was our previous one when we were tracking it as it was falling from the Saturday Night Live. We were tracking it. So that was Saturday Night Live right up here. And then we're tracking it all the way down here. And then, I made another short-term trend line, short-term trend lines. Now this is our new short-term trend line. So we fell a little bit below our long-term trend line, but we hopped right back on it. We hopped right back on our long-term trend line. And now we're on our new short-term trend line. All right. So yeah, Dogecoin is going up right now for the future. Let's look at it from a larger perspective here. So looking at it from a larger perspective, we have so much growth to go all the way up here to 60 cents. But remember, if we do shoot up that much, that's a lot of growth and too much to sustain. So most likely, if we shot up that much, we would consolidate right back down, and then, right around here, and then we do have another breakout. And remember, whenever we consolidate, our breakouts can either be positive or our breakouts can either be negative. because that's just how it goes. Like if there's a lot of buying, then the breakout is positive. There's a lot of selling at the end of the consolidation, then the breakout is negative. So this consolidation is what we really want to look at, and we really want to know where we're going to be around there, and if a lot of people are buying or selling at that point. So my honest opinion, I think when we reach the end of this consolidation period, we're going to actually end up breaking out, and we're going to break out big. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion on how we're going to do things. But this is kind of how we did it right after Doge Day 420, right? We dropped huge, we came up, we consolidated, and then we just started having normal growth, because this is just how it went. And, we just kind of have normal growth, and then we just went straight to the moon. And that's kind of how we do it here. Look, dropped, went up a little bit, just like there, dropped, went up, then went back down, and then consolidation, and then look, boom. So that's exactly how we're going to do it again. And then when we finally get up there, remember, this went from the 23rd of April all the way up until the 4th of May before it decided to really take off, right? So, 4th, 5th of May, whatever one you want to say. 4th of May is what I will say. But yeah, 23rd to the 4th of May. So literally about 11, 12 days it took to get, for it to take off after it had dropped. So look, we had dropped here on May 8th, because you remember May 8th was Saturday Night Live, but it was going into May 9th. So technically we dropped on May 9th. So that's what we're going to say. We went down all the way down on May 9th, right? So give it about 10 to 11, 12 days for Doge to, kind of skyrocket. Look, this is the 9th. Right around here is the end of our consolidation, right? And right around here, this is the 16th. But I'm going to give it to the 20th, all right? I'm going to give Doge to the 20th to really come back, bounce back, and do its thing, right? Like, honestly, I think it'll come back before the 20th, but let's just give it till the 20th. 60 cents price target right there by the 20th. I'm setting it in stone. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Don't get mad at me. But yeah, we are now back down to number 5 inside of our market cap. So that sucks. XRP took our place, but XRP is kind of an easy crypto to pass up, because they don't really have as much growth as us. Like, we always have a lot of growth here in Dogecoin, and XRP is going to get passed pretty quick. So I'm not worried about XRP. Yeah, there's so many different cryptos here, but yeah, I'm not worried about XRP. Dogecoin is going to surpass that easily. But yeah, I just wanted to update you all on what we are doing here with Elon Musk now accepting Doge with Tesla. Now he's not accepting it yet, but he will be in the future, right? Because we know he's a man of his words. The poll said that 77% of people wanted it, like 23% didn't want it. So we're definitely going to rise there. And we've already established our short-term trend lines. So now we know exactly what we're doing with those. But look at this. This is when Elon Musk tweeted. Boom, boom, all the way up. 46 cents to 54 cents. So Elon Musk still has leverage, right? Like, even if he didn't do that, we were still going up on our trend line. And our short-term trend line was actually set before Elon Musk said all that. And then we fell back to our short-term trend line because that was unnatural growth. When Elon said that, he made those grow unnaturally. And whenever cryptos grow unnaturally, like a pump, they always go right back down to where they would have been. So if Elon Musk didn't make that tweet, Doge would have still, continued to rise here. Like, Doge would have did something like this. We would have continued to do, crazy movements like this and ended up at the same spot. So, it's kind of cool to watch how things happen here. Like, when things pump like this, just sell at the peak. Sell at the peak, because we're going to come right back down. We're going to come right back down. If it's just one tweet, one thing that's making it go off, sell at the peak. But if we have multiple catalysts that are sending us to the moon, don't sell, because this probably not going to be the peak. Like, let's say if Elon Musk said that, and then, let's just say Mark Cuban said that he's going to be accepting Doge as a payment for some new products or something like that. Then there would be multiple catalysts, and then it would have been higher. That would have been the first peak, and then there'd be a second peak right after. But yeah, this is just my quick little technical analysis on this. So yes, we're still going up on our trend lines here. The long-term trend line is still going on here. So let's close out here and let's actually go back and look at our whales. So this whale right here is still buying and selling, but it's good because it looks like he's buying more than he's selling. Could be an exchange, I don't know. But exchanges don't do stuff like this. Exchanges do not buy huge amounts of Doge and then sell huge amounts of Doge after. This is someone that's day trading it, and they're making a lot of money from it, possibly. But I don't even know, because they're just doing a lot of sporadic changes here. Like, they're selling a lot of Doge. But yeah, they're doing some weird transactions here. Let's just leave it at that. But so yeah, let's just leave it at that. This whale is doing some weird transactions, buying a lot of Doge, selling a lot of Doge. But they can do whatever they want. We're not worried, because all the other whales are, what really matter. Even though this whale right here sold 122 million Doge. But look, this whale sold 122 million Doge at 47 cents. Like, are you kidding me? You sold it at 47 cents, but we're already at 50 cents. So take this L, whale. That whale needs to take this L, because we're way higher now than what they sold at. So take this L. Not way higher, 3 cents higher, but still take this L. That's millions of dollars for them. But look at this. This whale sold 460 million Doge 2 days ago. So yeah, continue to take this L as well. He sold at 47 cents. Take this L, paper hand whales. All these paper hand whales are taking these L's. This one's paper hands. Get rid of these paper hands. Look, so many whales are selling at 47 cents. And this is exactly what Elon Musk wanted. Remember, Elon Musk said that Dogecoin too concentrated. Look, Elon Musk Dogecoin too concentrated. Look that up. It'll bring you right to the tweet where he said that Dogecoin is too concentrated. He said, if major Dogecoin holders sell most of their coins, it will get my full support. Too much concentration is the only real issue, in my opinion. And actually, as you can see, Elon Musk, he's been tweeting about Doge way more. He's been talking about it way more. And as you can see, these whales have been selling way more. So he's kind of getting what he wants here. All the whales are selling. So this is good that the whales are selling, because after all of these big whales are selling all their Doge, and then Elon Musk starts accepting Doge with Tesla, we can get an important whale. Elon Musk will be one of those whales with Tesla that does not sell Doge. Yeah, he sold Bitcoin at one point, but Bitcoin is a lot different than Doge, and he sold it, to kind of make up revenues for Tesla. So I understand that. But for the most part, all these whales, they're nothing to worry about, honestly. The only whale that we truly have to worry about is the top whale. And the top whale does not sell. We know that this whale right here is Robinhood. We already know this is Robinhood, and all these transactions, all these different transactions are just the fees Robinhood is getting paid out, I guess. Just getting paid out in fees. But yeah, this is Robinhood's wallet. They did sell a huge amount on the 12th, but that was a while ago. And yeah, remember, around this time, Robinhood actually halted a lot of people's trades. So it's something to think about, the reason why they halted it. I wonder why. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.